how to look and feel younger. And I did a whole live video on this on YouTube. Make sure you go up and you check it out under lives. I'm going to give you just some tips on what you can do in order to not only look younger, but also feel younger too. Number one, keep your blood sugars low. You got to keep your blood sugars low, and this is why you're just not measuring your blood sugars, but you're measuring A1C, you're measuring your insulin levels. And the reason why, if you start getting elevations of blood sugar, can damage the protein structures in the body, which yes, can be the skin, can be the joints. Number two, commit to getting 8 to 9 hours of sleep per night. And the reason why, especially for ladies, is it will help you become more adrenally healthy, which is where you're getting some hormone contribution from. And also the whole idea of sleep is to repair, especially repair your mitochondria. So if you're not getting enough sleep, you just keep beating them up and you don't have an adequate time for things to be able to repair. Number three, keep your inflammation as low as possible. And this can be coming from multiple different sources. It can be coming from food, it can be coming from infection, poor gastrointestinal health. This is why working with a Wellness Way doctor to try to figure that out is so important. Number four is your exercise. Exercise should be very high intensity, short duration. Gone are the days of just doing excessive boot camp type exercises in which you're just mindlessly moving for 40 to 50 minutes, 4 to 5 times every single week. Your body can't handle it, your body can't sustain that. So if you are exercising, keep it short and work on doing strength training and try to put on some muscle mass too. The last thing is this: avoid the granny posture, otherwise known as the nursing home posture or excessive forward head posture. Your head starts going really far forward in front of the body, is that you'll start to develop a hump at the back of the neck, and you also start to develop a very saggy chin, or kind of like the chicken gizzard type of chin. And the reason why is because when the head goes forward, you get a lot of atrophy of the muscles underneath here. There's other things that will happen too: stiffness of the spine, decreased lung capacity. All these things are very important, but make sure you go ahead and watch the long version of this video on YouTube at Dr. Nathan Thompson. I think it'll help you out quite a bit. And yes, there are things that you can take. They might be ashwagandha, it might be astragalus, and it might be schisandra, and all this is very dependent on the person, if you're male or female. Also getting adequate amount of collagen protein in the form of bone broth, and even putting on tallow balm on your skin to nourish the skin are all things that can help you not only look younger, but also feel younger too. So hope all this helps. Watch the long version of this video. We'll see you soon.